Good day. I'm going to retrofit the front brake rotors with better quality Galfers, along with a steel braided brake line for the front and for the rear brake as well. Provides way better braking power. So first consideration is safety. You'll need to put the bike on a rear stand securely before putting it up on the front stand. So I've got my bike up on the rear stand securely. So this front stand comes with a number of fittings to fit the underside of whatever motorcycle. You can see it there. How that pin fits into the underside of the triple clamp. Just like that. I had to remove the front fender. It's in the way, and it's also a good possibility of damaging it if you don't remove it. And always refer to the service manual for the proper specifications and procedures for doing anything. Right. So next step is to remove the front wheel. You'll need a special tool to get that axle bolt out. It's like that. This has it's a multi-size. This is a 24 millimeter size it takes. This side has a hole for your ratchet. Can't do it that way. You got to put it in this way. It's no big deal. This end it fits a 17 millimeter socket, so that's how I was able to loosen it. Right. Next step is to take the front wheel off.